Hi Divas, divinely inspired, vivacious artists. I want to show you two of the latest offerings from Paint Gem. They're mini masterpieces. I really love what they're doing. These were two of some of their newer ones. They have even newer kits out now. One is birthstones, one is mushrooms, one is, oh, I forget the other one. I don't know, they're coming, geometrics. They're coming up with a whole bunch of different ones. And some of these have a good number of paintings in them. This Doors edition has 12 designs in them, and the Retro edition has 16 designs in them. So I really like how they're putting more in a box, too. So let me show you the Doors edition first. And what am I using them for? I'm using them on covers of junk journals and things like that. Each Paint Gem kit comes with a boat. If I can get it out of the package, this little package. Okay, comes with its little white boat. Comes with a pen with a squishy, a random colored squishy usually. A white plastic tweezers. They're good enough for the little things that you're going to do. They give you a multi-placer, a thick two-placer, and like a 7-placer, and a clear plate, clear heart of wax. Okay. That is your kit from Paint Gem. Nice little knapsack there. Each kit comes with its own chart. Gives you a gem color chart here, and they're all individually cut stickers so that you can put them on the bags. And these are the bags. Okay? And this one has all the colors of the rainbows in it. A lot of them do. A lot of them have a lot of different colors in them. And they are labeled with a number, I believe. Yep. They're labeled with, this is, let's see. It says 310. I know it's a black 310. And on here, I would just peel this up and put it right here on there. It says 0.8. I think that's the ounces or the grams. Probably the grams or milligrams or whatever it is, that however they measure them. Okay. So, and it says Paint Gem Mini 34 Door Edition. Okay. So that's how you kit them up. They'll have their own sticker chart with it, and each of them will come in this cardboard, which is really sweet. I really like that. I'm going to hold them up a little bit here. These are the different doors. It has a number at the bottom, so if you really want to see what here it is. If you really want to see what they're supposed to turn out to be like, the design numbers match the number on the back of your card here. All right, so this is the Doors edition. This is the purple. Oop, another purple one. I like doors because they're like openings for things. They're like gateways, entrances. And this one has a holiday theme to it. You never know what to expect on the other side of a door. Anticipation. That's what they symbolize. Surprises, good and bad, but surprises of a sort. So I really do like doors, and they some just jump out and speak to you all around the world. If you're traveling anywhere, take pictures of doors that are near where you are, and it just, you get a flavor of the place from looking at the doors. Wait a minute, let me fold this the right way. It does come with some tips and tricks inside the cover of the cardboard. And these little boxes are sweet. I mean, you can repackage a Christmas or a birthday present in them if you wanted to. But for right now, they're going to stay in their kit. Right now, I'm doing the butterfly edition. And if you come together with us on Tuesday nights or Tuesday Night Live, you will see the butterfly edition as it's getting created. Tuesday night, 9 p.m. Same kit that I just showed you. Same goodies inside of the kit. Now these have a different set of colors, but you can tell that they're a whole rainbow range, for sure. Nice and full packages. This is the retro edition, so the colors are going to be brighter. I've never had a problem, or too much of a problem anyway, seeing the actual symbol on the chart. I do like to put it on a mini light box though, because that does help. Oops, see, I'm leaving some behind here. I want to do that. Okay, remember the Walkman? I think these are 70s and 80s designs. I'm pretty sure. And that's a 70s. That's my type of skate, a quad skate. All right. A little handheld Nintendo. A boombox. Back to the 80s. Not all of these are back to the 80s. Some are back even further, honey. Rubik's Cube. Now, it looks good in the camera, but looking close to it, it doesn't... It looks kind of... Pennsylvania Dutch word for it would be schussly. It's off. It's off kilter. A cassette tape, and it says mix. Everybody then was taping things off the radio and taping their own CDs and, their own LPs and giving them to each other for mixtapes. I'm not sure what this is other than a rainbow with wings. I'm not sure. If you know what this one is, let me know, please. Oh, right. This is like one of the brick computers. The very old computers. All right. There's your compact. Your compact computer. Maybe that was more of an Apple, and this is more of an IBM. That's the way I would look at it. And you have a Polaroid that says smile. Isn't that awesome? Uh-huh. All right. This says rock music, of course, and this is your LP, your long playing record. I still have some that I don't want to get rid of. No signal. Well, yeah, the little antenna on the top, we had channel changers, automatic channel changers, back in the 60s and the 70s when colors first came out. It was your dad would say, Wanda, go change the channel for me. So we were his channel changer. Not like the automatic ones now. This is the Rolling Stone lips, the Saturday Night Live lips. And this says start, so this is like a little game console. And of course we have the ice cream van. They still roll through some neighborhoods. Do they roll through yours anymore? Let's see. So I'm going to put the color code in here as well. Those are the two newer ones that I got from Paint Gem. I know I showed them. Sometimes I show things ahead of time on our Tuesday night lives. I unbox things there before I get to do them for the YouTube at large. But eventually I get to show them all. Maybe this is the second look for you. It just says Design 1-18. It doesn't describe what it is. So that's Doors and Retro Edition Paint Gem Minis. Okay? Fun. Fun, fun, fun. Let me know if you do any Paint Gem Minis and what you do with them. These would be great in scrapbooks too. If you're still scrapbooking stuff from your childhood, and these apply to you or apply to your kids, they're going to apply to my kids more. I can use these in my kids' scrapbooks, photo albums, when I get to that point. And they're in their 30s. I think I should get to that point pretty soon, huh? Anyway. All right. Thank you for joining me for this one. Join us on Tuesday nights for Tea and Talk Live, Whip and Chats. And all kinds of things will be coming up. In July 18th, we will have an auction of a good number of diamond paintings that I have to auction off. Be one of several, the beginning of several. And August is a challenge month, your favorite things. is the name of it. And I'm doing that with Zara, West Aussie Diamond Painter. So if you're interested, stop by on a Tuesday night live and let me know. 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hope to see you then, divas. Bye.